Hi all, I'll be starting off with a new learning series on Maven, and in this lecture we will be talking about uh, what is Maven and how to install Maven. So let's get started. What is Maven? Maven is a build automation tool which is primarily used for Java projects. And Maven was initially created by Jason Manzel, so as a sub-project of Apache Turbine in the year 2002. And Maven's the very first release, or the very first milestone, was released in the year 2004 in the month of July. And after subsequent releases, like again, the next milestone was Maven 2, which was released in the year October 2005. And today, if you look at the current version of Maven is 3.x, wherein the initial version of Maven 3.0 was released in the year October 2010. So what exactly Maven is and what it does? So Maven try to addresses two aspects of building software: how the software is built and how its dependencies are maintained. So here Maven is depending on an XML file, which is nothing but pom.xml file, or we call it as project object model file. This file describes the software, how the software project is being built, and how its dependencies on other external modules and components are being taken care. And it also defines the build order, directories, and the required plugins. Along with that, Maven comes with a predefined targets for performing certain well-defined tasks such as compiling the code, cleaning up the workspace, testing the code, installing it, or packaging it, etc. So let's see like how Maven can be installed. So for this, like in order to install Maven, the only prerequisite is Java. As I said, like Maven is a build tool which is primarily used for Java projects. So here the mandatory stuff is to have Java installed in your system, and also ensure Java SDK is added in your path environment variable. So if the prerequisites are met, so then I think we are good to start off with installing Maven. So Maven can be downloaded from the below path. So let me just go to this link and download Maven. Okay, so here I am on the Apache Maven project website, and on your left you should be able to see download options. So let me just click on it, and then let's scroll down. Okay, so as you can see here, Maven is distributed in several formats, and what we are looking for is binary zip format. So let me just click on this link, and let me download the software. Say start download. Okay, so it's already done. So let me just open the folder. Here it is. Let me extract Maven. So I say extract to Maven. So usually, let me just change the file name. So I'll keep it as Maven. Okay. So let me just double click on it. Okay, here it is. Let me move the content outside. Okay, so I don't need another subfolder. Let me delete this. Okay, so what we will do is I'll just copy this and I'll paste it in my C drive. Okay, so from the Explorer, just copy the path. So let's have this added to our path variable. So right click on a computer and click on properties. Go to advanced system settings. Click on environment variables. And here let's define a new system variable. Okay, so I would call it as m2 underscore home. We copy paste on the path. Okay, so now we'll scroll down and we'll add the path here. So I say new path. paste, and then I include bin. Okay, so make sure in the path variable you add the path until bin. Click on OK. OK. And let's close the system properties window and also this. Let me open the command prompt. So let me give Java iPhone version just to check which version of Java has been installed on my system. So here it is, Java version 1.8.0. So let's verify whether the Maven path has been added into our environment variables or not. So that we can check by providing the command echo percentage path percentage. So here it is. So as you can see, like the Maven path has been added. And in order to quickly verify, what you can do is you just type Maven and then hyphen help. So you should be able to see the list of commands here, the help commands from Maven. Let me just maximize it. Here you go. So usually the Maven command starts with MVN and there are certain options and the goals which we'll be discussing in the upcoming lectures. Okay, let's go ahead and give MVN version. So as you can see here, the command prompt shows the latest version which we have installed, and along with that you should be able to see the default Java version and the Java path where the JRE has been defined. And that's it. So that's all about how the Maven can be installed and configured on your system. Hope you guys liked my video. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or any clarifications, please drop me a line and I shall definitely get back to you. That's all I have for today. Thank you.